one more thing. If you happen to have found in your program, your personal program today, that there is a red heart sticker, you need to come down and see me afterwards. We want to share a little extra light with you. So as you go out into the season, this is born of light one candle, that you are the light and we are the light. And we have a light for you if you happen to have a red heart in your program.